Oh, wow. Holy shit, man. God. Is it just me or do I look better dancing with the mask on?
Dude, we look like we're in Mortal Kombat, dude.
I look like one of those guys that were dancing in the fucking... The dudes with the dreads?
Is that how everybody in...
What is it called? The tech house rave? The goth rave?
Oh, yeah,
dude,
the goth raves, dude.
I look sick.
That's what they look like in quarantine.
They do, yeah. What's going on, everybody? My name's Danny Ferrari.
My name's Parker Immense.
We are Excellent Sound, and we are back for another video for you guys. Super excited to be doing this remake of Malaa and Jacknife's Revolt.
Oh, yeah, man. This is going to be a sick video.
Malaa.
I'm already pumped up.
Are they German?
They might be, or French.
Milo.
Yeah, they're from some unknown country. Jacknife.
Yeah, who is Malaa? It's DJ Snake and Chachami. There you go.
Collab Fest.
Marshmallows.com.
Yeah, dude. Also, Chris Lake is Fisher.
There it is.
There it is.
Secrets
dude,
out.
Blowing all of them. Blowing our load.
So make sure you guys like the video and subscribe and comment down below. And before we get into things, we are going to be going over one of the main sounds in this, and the download link will be in the description below. But make sure you guys comment because you could win a pack of Xilent. Bam! Excellent pack. Here we go.
Whatever pack you guys want.
Excellent pack right here.
Should we just do it right now, dude?
Right here. Yeah, let's announce the winner.
So okay.
No, let's wait till the end.
You want to wait till the end?
Tell them about it.
Okay, so you guys, we did a contest of the last 2 videos. Whoever had the most liked comment gets a free pack of their choice. Whoop. So we got the info right here in front. We
got the winner right there. Oh, didn't see it. Pause it.
Didn't see it. Didn't see it.
So yeah, we're going to be announcing that at the very end of the video.
Yep.
We're also going to tell you guys how, if you guys want to get all this project file and all the drum samples that we remade and all of the presets that we remade for educational use only. Warning. You can go ahead and we'll tell you about that in just a little bit too. But for now, if you want to go ahead and get the download, go download it. But we're going to show you how to do it. It's pretty easy sound. Let's get right into it. Ready to say, Parks?
Let's do it, man.
I got to take this off, bro. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into it right now. We're going to be showing you guys how to make this freaking nasty sound that sounds a little something like this. Ooh. And if you're asking about the bass sound, we could go over it like maybe in another video, but if you want tons of sounds like that, guys, I definitely recommend you go check out our brand new pack, MID-TEMPS. It is out, guys. You should be getting it now if you can, okay? Because there's over 120 Serum presents.
Lots of presents
Tons
inside.
of presents.
It's the hottest mid-tempo sounds out there. Everything that you guys ever wanted in a mid-tempo song is in this pack.
Yep. So everything you could do to build a mid-tempo or even like a house track. And a lot of like the basses can be used for like trap and hybrid.
Yeah, dude, all the genre bending is awesome.
And if you don't believe us, just go check out the demo track. Just do yourself a favor, check out the demo track. You will not be disappointed. I promise you guys.
It sells itself, you guys.
It sells itself, okay? It's like sex. It sells.
It sells.
It sells. Okay? It's Celsius.
It's Celsius.
See the thermometer? See what I did there? See the glasses? Thank you, sir. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and jump into it. We're going to be showing you guys this sound. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out MID-TEMPS. Again, a great pack for this type of style. And, of course, we'll go over some other packs later, but I don't want to oversell you guys right now, so let's fucking get into it.
Let's get into this.
Okay, so this sound, in context, sounds like this. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we have another patch initiated right here. So go ahead and pull up your Serum. So I'm going to go ahead and open her up. Okay, so now that I went ahead and I'm going to go ahead and remove all the automations, I'm going to do this. Watch this move. I thought I had it set up before, but apparently I'm not prepared. But with the new Serum update, if you guys haven't seen our video going over the awesome new Serum updates, one of the elements that we didn't go over was being able to initialize modulations like so. Bam, there you go.
That.
Gone.
That's so beautiful. So
for us, it's really, really helpful. I'm going to go ahead and show you what it just plays like with the init sound. Let's hear it. Fuck yeah.
Fuck, so hard.
Nice. Okay, so we go ahead and we have a saw wave set up on Oscillator B. You're going to want to have your level around like 23%. That's totally fine. We're going to work from Oscillator B and then go into Oscillator A first. So for Oscillator B, we're going to go ahead and have 2 waves of unison, and detune's going to be all the way to halfway,
all the way to midnight.
All the way 6 to midnight, and blend is at 0.75 phase. This is all the same. Turn the random all the way down. Wavetable position, of course, basic shapes is what we are using for the saw wave. and make sure that you have this set to off, okay? This is gonna be our FM synth, and I'll explain why we're doing this first in a minute. So now that that's good, let's go ahead and get into Oscillator A. You're gonna be using the Wavetable Retro Speak, which is in the vowel category. Not Sam Serum.
Why is it in the vowel category? Because it's vowely.
Because it's vowely, and this sound has a little wow, wow. So this is kind of a little weird glitch in Serum. This is actually the wavetable. It's retro speaking, not Sam Speaks, but the check mark's next to it. I don't know what the hell's going on.
That's weird.
I'm gonna turn this off. It's a little quiet, so let me solo it. And then with retro speak, you want to have the wavetable position set to 48, okay? And you're going to want to have all this stuff stock, but turn the random all the way down as well. And make sure you have FM from B, okay? So we're going to do the FM from B here, but we're still going to leave the level up, right? It's going to be a little bit different.
Yep.
And then this level is going to be at 33% for Oscillator A. You're going to make your first LFO, which is going to look like this shape right here. Make sure it's set to trigger and set to a quarter. Make sure it's got a little hump, just like this, a little hump. Boop. Okay, and then go ahead and put that on the level knob, and we're going to turn that back just a smidge to around 30 sevs.
Hear that.
You can kind of hear like the formanty sound of it. We're also going to go ahead and throw this on the wavetable position so it goes all the way through. The wavetable position, again, was at 48. I don't know if I mentioned that, but that's where the wavetable position's at. Listen to that. Pretty sick, right?
I love these like vocally
I know.
wavetables.
Me too.
So much fun.
Okay, so let's go ahead and let's jump over to Oscillator B level. We're going to put LFO 1 on that, and I'm just going to pull it down to about 8. Okay, so we're getting still some, we're using the saw still even though the FM is all the way down, we're going to be using the saw as well. If you want to get crazy with it, you can turn this FM knob up. And get really nuts. We're going to leave it down for right now, right? I think it's down, or is it at like 2 or something? It's at 0, okay. It feels good. We leave shit on because it feels good, right? All right, so for the filter, you're going to want to use Formant 2, okay? And that's in miscellaneous right here, miscellaneous, Formant number 2, okay? And you're going to go ahead and make sure that just A is going to it, not B, just A, okay? And the cutoff's going to be about 2496 hertz. Resonance is going to be at 40 forts. Drive all the way down, and the formant is at 58. So what you can do, these are great little filters. Let me turn it up more. Is you can actually move this formant around. What's it at? 58, so I put it back. Yeah. You could automate this if you wanted to. Like I could put this LFO on here and maybe slide it back. And then also the cutoff, which is at 2496. They're really fun to play with. So I would definitely recommend messing around and get your own sound out of this. And you can also adjust the mix too, like we have it all the way at 100%. So let me put the format back to what it was. Was it 56 or something?
58.
58, there. Okay, so that's where you want to be. Resonance is at 44. Those are those little peaks right here. So make sure you guys pull those up. Nice, okay. Now let's go ahead and let's add LFO 1 to the cutoff. We're going to have that move just a touch, and we're going to pull that back to -9. There you go. You see that? Getting some real cool. Well, look at all this crazy shit. And then also we're going to go ahead and put it on the format as well, like I was just showing you how we can move it. That's going to be set to also -9. You got that I wish I could play in context, but it's not loud enough. Fuck it. It's super weak sauce.
Yeah, dude.
Okay, make sure mono is turned on, which it is, and let's go ahead and get into the effects. But before we do the effects, guys, we want to tell you about how you guys can get all these other sounds. We already mentioned that you can get sounds like this in MID-TEMPS, right? But there's a ton of sounds in here. I mean, all these drums. I mean, listen to these drums.
Dude, show them that clap, dude. Yeah.
Ooh. This entire project file. Nice clean samples, guys, made entirely from scratch to try to remake this sound in this entire track for you so we don't use any third-party bullshit. You guys can get all those samples and all of those sounds right now on our Patreon. So if you guys go and check out our Patreon, link is in the description. We have a brand new special, okay?
Brand new special.
Brand new
Are we
special.
going to announce this, dude?
I feel like we should.
We
yeah,
should. We
right
should
now.
definitely do it.
There is our legacy tier, which is $25, which gives you access to all of our project files. Okay, all of our project files from September of 2018. But now, what are we including?
We are including something insane. We want to do something crazy for you guys. We want you guys to join our legacy tier and support the channel. So what we are doing is this month we are actually adding, I think we're adding about 15 brand new project files that are from old videos.
We went ahead and opened up the old videos and we remastered them.
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to be adding them for the legacy tier. Obviously, if you're part of the VIP, you're going to get those too because you have access to the legacy tier, but we're going to be throwing those in randomly as we go throughout the month.
Yep.
So make sure you guys join so you guys can get all those. We're talking Skrillex Humble. What else is in there?
Nightmare Goosebumps.
Nightmare Goosebumps, Zomboy, Borgor.
All the day one excellent sub and wubbers. Like all of those old videos that you guys want. Like we didn't used to remake the whole entire thing.
Yeah.
So we went back and we did that for you guys. So it's really exciting. We're super stoked.
And remastered it. So like our skills have gotten better. So we made them better too. So
exactly.
Go do that. And if you don't, if that's a little too much for you guys, then you can also join the YouTube tier, where the YouTube tier is a monthly $10 thing where you get paid $10 and you get access to the 4 project files that are available through the whatever we do on the YouTube that month. So and then we usually leave a little more than just the month up, which is usually about 2 months, to be honest with you. But then we start putting all the access just for legacy tier. And of course, mystery loot and VIP, but go check it out anyway. I don't want to rant too much on it, but yeah, definitely wanted to tell you guys about that new legacy tier perk. Anything legacy tier and above will get the extra project files on top of the project files that we're already giving you guys.
Yeah, we wanted to do something really special for you guys. A lot of people were asking about all of the old stuff. What about this? What about that? You know, and we're giving it to you this month.
Right. And we will be shouting out our patrons in the videos too, which they will show up probably here.
And there.
And there.
There.
And sir here. This man right here. This gentleman.
Yep.
This nice lady over here.
That one, that nice one right there.
That nice girl.
Right there.
You guys, the Patreon really helps us out. It really helps support the channel, helps us get like the cameras and the lighting and to be able to make time to be able to do this for you guys because it's a lot of work. So we really appreciate you guys. And even if you're not a Patreon, if you just comment like, you know, that's great too, and you want to get free stuff, go to our website. We got tons of that.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Couldn't have said it better.
Let's go ahead and get back into it. So for the processing in Serum, where were we at? Effects, it's pretty simple. We just have the mix knob at 50% or 53% of hyper, of the dimension, and the mix at 19, and detune at 25, and rate at 40. And then also we have a multi-band compressor, which is compressing the F out of it. So let me go ahead and pull that down. There we go. Thresh at 12, ratio at 4, 90, 90, gain at 6.6. Let's hear it in context. It's pretty much there, okay?
Yeah, for real.
Nice, okay, and let's go ahead and get into the processing. Now, if you do not have Ableton, don't worry, you can do this processing in FL, you could do it in Logic, it's pretty simple to do. Okay, guys, all we have is an erosion, okay, using wide noise right here. Add some more grit. If you don't have that, what you can do is you can add white noise in the Serum patch itself, or you can use a great plugin called Texture. Definitely recommend using.
Shout out Texture.
Shout out Texture. Where's our fucking sponsorship, bro?
Where's our NFR?
Ooh, can we tell them about the new sponsorship that we have that we talked about today? About the.
Oh no, we can't. Yeah, dude, we got to solidify that sponsorship.
Yeah, we got to solidify it. Okay, overdrive. Use any sort of overdrive you want. Just make sure it's driving pretty much at 60%. Try to match these settings if you're in a different DAW. Get some grit in there. OTT comped. You can get the Zypher OTT. Or Xfer, or whatever the fuck you say it. Really big OTT comped. I really love this preset. And then EQ8, just pulling up a little top end sizz. And then a little bit of U-tilts. I don't think we even have a sub. We're using it as its own sub because it sounds so goddamn good.
So fat.
I love this trick right here. Pull the width down 80%. Nice. And that's how you make that sound, guys. And before we go, let's go ahead and announce the winner.
All right, guys, we have 2 winners, and we got like a special little shout out. So
wait.
Oh my God, God, dude.
Wait. I know, I'm sorry.
So fucking excited.
They need to know before we announce the winners that if you want a chance to win a pack right now, any pack of your choice, all you got to do is comment down below. If it's the most liked comment, we're going to be doing that every single video, probably from now on.
Yep.
The most liked video will get a free pack. We will announce the winners just like these gentlemen or ladies. Comment. Just comment whatever you want. Hopefully get people to like it. Okay, Parker. Sorry for interrupting.
This first one was on the video that you did.
Subtronics. Go check it out.
That video is killing. It's at like 10K views right now.
Yep.
Like, it's insane. So the top comment on this was by Dioxide Music.
Woo! Yeah, help put him
audience shit. It says, you guys should do a weekly or monthly mixing, finishing Patreon songs.
Ooh.
You know, there's not a lot of wit behind that comment, you know, but that's a great fucking idea.
It's obviously liked for a good reason.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, we will do that. So join our Patreon and we will start doing that.
Yes, Dioxide Music.
Give us like a little bit to get it set up because that's a lot of like work.
It's a big
back end
project.
shit, but we're definitely down to do that. We love doing the feedback on our Twitch channel, so you can check that out too.
Yeah, I would love that. So Dioxide, message us on Instagram. That's probably the easiest way, and you can get your pack of choice, free pack of choice. And then so on the last video where we were going over the slushy, where are you now?
Where are you now that I need? No,
we were showing you guys like a little vocal rack.
What's the name of that fucking song? We already fucking forgot.
Yeah, no, it's okay. We
Diego, put the song up right here.
Let's fucking do it. But yeah, we went over showing how to do a vocal rack, and it was really sick with some vocal chops and stuff like that. So we have an honorable mention because I thought that shit was hilarious.
So they're getting a pack too?
They're probably getting a pack as well.
No, you can't say probably. They're getting a pack.
We're feeling generous.
Yeah, you're getting a pack because you made Parker laugh.
So first most liked comment was there's an edit. 101 is the best edit, and you can't change my mind. And I looked at it, and it was fucking this goddamn mic stand. I'm fucking trying to fix the goddamn mic stand. It's all squeaky and awkward. So
what's their name?
Cammy, you get a free pack.
Cammy, guy or girl? We don't assume on this channel.
We don't assume. And the honorable mention is Skylon. He said, my neighbors listen to dubstep if they want to or not. So,
that sounds like a dad joke.
Yeah, I love dad jokes, dude.
I know you do.
It's fucking awesome.
Nice. All right.
So yeah, Skylon, you get a free pack too.
Hit us up. All right, cool. So we'll see you guys.
Roll out of this.
We're going to play this out. We'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, comment down below your favorite moment or whatever. Try to get everyone to like it. Make 1 million YouTube accounts. Subscribe to us.
We're giving packs away.
We're giving packs away. Support us on Patreon. If you want free content, go to www.xlntsound.com. You guys can check out all of our packs there and all of our free shit. We got tons of stuff. And new announcements coming soon.
Big announcement.
Big announcement.
Big boy fucking news.
Big boy news. A lot of big boy news.
Big
All right,
boy.
let's go ahead and play this bad boy or girl. We don't assume on this channel.
Nope.
Out. We'll see you guys next time.